Hello guys, welcome back. So here what I did, I will go to the this chart. You can see over here. So I entered at 9:35 and exited at 10:30, 10:12, right? So if I tell you over here, you can see I entered at 9:35 after this hammer candle right over here. So I see breakdown, a small breakdown, and I just entered at market price. SL was same candle high, right? You can see in option chart also. Then it went down. If you notice this thing, let me tell you, it is almost 1 is to 2.6, right? I was thinking of taking my target and exiting the trade, but I did not. I thought it will do like this, right? So if I tell you it will do like this, but here I missed that 1 is to 2 profit, and it went up to cost, even it came up to like my SL. Because if you see, today is a Wednesday and there will be like more premium decay, right? So when market went up, it just went up to my SL, and by luckily my SL did not hit it. Then market consolidated at the same level. You can see it made one like double top over here, and slowly it has given a breakdown and it fell down, right? So if I like, my probably exit must be at this level, right? But I did not I did not book at this level. I thought it will happen and it will just give me target, but this thing not happen. But if I book at this level, it will be like 4k or 5k profit over here. And here if you notice, my second entry will get triggered, and I will get again 1 is to 2. So likely my profit will be like more than 11k, 12k for this particular trade, right? Within the two trades, right? But what happened, like here I missed that, right? So then again, when it came here, I just booked my profit. And on this level, the option prices were not moving that much, right? If you see over here, the fall was almost like around 52 points, and option went up. Okay, let's see how much it went up, right? So this was the premium right over here. So if you see, for 50 plus movement, it went up to almost 20 rupees itself, right? So it only went up to 20, 25 rupees because of this consolidation, right? So if I like, if you see over here, just look at this. Because of this consolidation, it did not went up, right? And even if you see, this high is almost at same level, even though let me show you the index chart over here, right? So if you see index chart over here, it has broken the previous low, right? So if you see, previous low was broken, but here the previous high not broken, right? So this is telling that there is a premium decay, but I did not did this thing, right? So if you see over here, my entry was at this level. If I eh, okay, maximize this graph, if you see, my entry was at this level, almost at this candle right over here. My stop loss was this candle low, and I was getting a good profit, right? If you see, it went up to like 128 level itself, right? So if I notice, like if you tell you over here, it almost like 15, 16 rupees profit for this 700 rupees stop loss, right? So this, I just missed this 15 rupees, that is almost like 4500 rupees. Then it came down, right? If like I told you, it has made a double bottom. If you see over here, double bottom, my entry will be like this level, stop loss will be like this level. If you see, again my stop loss is coming at 10 rupees, and it has hit a massive target of 20 rupees, right? So 15 rupees and 20 rupees, it almost I will get 35 rupees, right? 35 rupees for 300 quantity, it's almost like more than 10k, you can say over here. And also it has made a pattern and it went up, right? So here I missed this thinking, because like if you see, if it comes down, probably I have to take SL at this level, right? So I have to take 10, 15 rupees SL, and I will miss this 5000 rupees, right? So this thing I did wrong over here. I will get re-entry chance. I can definitely take entry at this level with the same SL, but I have to book at this level when market is showing that there is no momentum. Or you can see over here, there is a support, you are getting 1 is to 2.5, which is absolutely more than enough for the day, right? So it's okay that you booked at that level, right? You can try thinking re-entry also, but like if market gives re-entry, then you can enter. But if your SL is same, don't enter at this level, because you are saying that here it is giving a good momentum, so I will take entry at this level, SL at this level, and definitely it is going to hit at this level, right? Your entry must be at the same level and SL will be same, right? So then you can take entry at this level, right? And if you are holding, then hold with SL. Like I did the same thing, I holded this trade with SL not hit, then my target got hit, right? But you can do like this also, nothing to worry about that, if you like like this or not like this, right? But when target hits, you have to probably exit, and today I did the same mistake right over here.